So today we will see next operator, that is assignment operator. Clear? So problem statement is implement C program to demonstrate assignment operations. There are different assignment operators. For example, equal to is an assignment operator. Next is plus equal to. This is also called as assignment operator. Minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to. All these are nothing but the assignment operator. Okay. So what is the meaning of assignment operator? That is equal to. This assign value of any variable. For example, a is equal to b means value of b is copied into value variable a. That is the meaning of assignment operator. Means right hand side's variable's value is assigned to the left hand side's variable. Clear? This is the meaning of assignment operator. Next is plus equal to. Suppose a plus equal to b means what? The meaning of this operator is a is equal to a plus b. This is called as shorthand notation. Clear? Compiler does not know the meaning of shorthand notation. For that purpose, we have to expand this statement. Okay, and this work is done by preprocessor. Clear? Expansion of shorthand notation. So this is the shorthand notation. It is expanded into a is equal to a plus b. This is called as also this is a assignment operator. But equal to is not an assignment operator. This is a relational operator which gives the relation between a and b. Suppose. Clear? So it is a relational operator. Equal to is a relational operator which gives the relation between a and b variable. That means if both are equal, then it returns 1, and if both are not equal, then it returns 0. Clear? So this is equal to is a relational operator, and single equal to is a assignment operator. Next is the plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, and division equal to. These all are assignment operators, and also these are the shorthand notations. So this is the meaning of assignment operator. So we will take one example on basis on this assignment operator. Start the program from #include stdio.h. Include stdio.h header file because printf and scanf functions definitions are stored into stdio.h header file. Next, #include con.io.h header file. Clear screen and get ch functions definitions are present in the con.io.h header file. Next is a void main. Start the program from the main function. Okay, so we will take all the assignment operators in our program. Take two variables. First declare two variables a and b, semicolon. This statement is called as the variable declaration statement, and when we assign value to variable, that statement is called as initialization statement. And here only variables are declared, value is not assigned. So this statement is called as declaration statement in C language. Clear? So take any two variables a and b. Next, what is the next thing? Assign value to that variable. Means use printf and scanf statement. Through scanf statement we can assign value to a and b variable. So next statement is printf enter values of a and b, double quotes complete, semicolon. Next, scanf %d for scanning the value of a variable. Next, %d for scanning the value of second variable. Next, comma, ampersand of a, comma, ampersand of b means whichever value scanned by the user is stored at the address location of A. Second value stored at the address location of B. And for A and B, static memory management is done by compiler at compilation time itself. Clear? There are two ways to assign values to variable A and B. Directly assign value A is equal to 10 and directly assign value A B is equal to 20. That is static memory management, or statically we can assign the values to A and B. But these values are fixed. Clear? So we can take the values from user at the runtime by using printf and scanf statement. So these values are assigned by the user at the runtime. Clear? Next, after that, make the assignment. Whatever may be the value of B, we can assign to A. Next, A is equal to plus equal to B, or after that print the values. After each operation, assignment operation, print the values of A and B both. Here, suppose printf A is equal to percentage D, B is equal to percentage D, double quotes complete, comma, after that A, comma, B. So here, whatever may be the value in the A variable is printed instead of percentage D, and second percentage D value of B is printed. Clear? After that, A plus equal to B. This is also assignment operator, and again print the values of A and B. Printed A is equal to percentage D, B is equal to percentage D, double quotes complete, comma, A, comma, D. Okay, so what is the output? We will discuss later on. Next again use A minus equal to B. Minus equal to B. This is also assignment operator. After that, print the values of A and B. Print A is equal to percentage D, B is equal to percentage D, double quotes complete, comma, A, comma, B. Next, A multiply equal to B, that is assignment operator, and again print the values of A and B, that is printed A is equal to percentage D, B is equal to percentage D, double quotes complete, comma, A, comma, B. Similarly, division operator, and last one is the get ch statement. That is means demonstration of assignment operator. We can demonstrate how we use the assignment operator. Now, what is the expected output of this program? This is your text mode window, means console on which output get printed. When you run the program, already A and B, that is memory management is done for variable A and B, on which memory partition? Stack. Okay, because local variables are stored on stack partition of your RAM. Next, initial value is garbage in A and B. Then enter values of A and B. This message is printed on your console. Enter values of A and B. Suppose here /n means cursor goes to next line. Cursor blinks for percentage D. If user enters value 10, press enter. This 10 value is assigned to address of A. Means here 10 value is assigned. Next, again cursor is blinking for taking values for variable B. Suppose user enters 20 and press enter, then this 20 value is assigned to address of B, means 20. Now, next statement is assign the B value of B to the A. Means what? Whatever may be the value in B, copy it to A variable. Means now value of A becomes 20. Clear? Now print the value. Now what is the message? A is equal to 20 and there is no message of and, just A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20. Okay, because now A and B both becomes 20 after this assignment. So here printf what is the value? A is equal to 20 and B is also equal to 20 message is there. Next statement is A is equal to A plus equal to B. What is the meaning of this assignment operator? Is equal to means, this is comment. What is the meaning of this? A is equal to A plus B and assign this value to A. Now what is the value, current value of A? 20 plus current value of B 20, 20 plus 20 that is 40 and 40 value is assigned to variable A. So now A becomes 40. Now A becomes 40. Clear? After that what is the message? A is equal to percentage D. Now what is the current value of A? 40. So A is equal to 40 and B is equal to, what is the current value of B? 20. So 20 get printed on the console. Next, A minus equal to B means A is equal to A minus B. This is its longhand notation. Clear? So what is the current value of A? A is equal to 40. So 40 minus B 20. So now it becomes 20. So again A becomes 20. After that A is equal to current value of A. What is the current value of A? 20. And what is the current value of B? Again 20. After that, what is the meaning of A multiplication equal to B? A is equal to A multiplied by B. So current value of A is equal to 20 multiplied by 20. So that becomes 400 and that value is assigned to A variable. 400. So after that message is, what is the message? Printf A is equal to 400 and B is equal to 20. Remains same. Last statement is get ch. That means this whole console get freeze, stop. So output you will see on the, what is the output on the console. But get ch meaning is not to print the output on the console. Only its meaning is to freeze the console or text mode window. Clear? And curly bracket last executed, that is end of your program. Understood? What is the meaning of assignment operator? Clear? So today we will stop.